You want to know what casino uses PaysafeCard? Listen to me, because we need to talk about what is really going on when you ask that question. You are standing at a major crossroads in your life, either newly retired or just about to step into those golden years, and you have worked way too hard, for way too many decades, to put your hard-earned financial freedom in jeopardy. I know exactly why you are asking about PaysafeCard. You are asking because you are smart, you want to protect your identity, and you have this underlying fear of getting your main bank account hacked or compromised online. You are looking for a shield. You want to know if you can buy a prepaid voucher with cash at your local grocery store or gas station, get that 16-digit PIN, type it into an online casino, and play a few rounds of slots or blackjack without ever exposing your checking account, your credit cards, or your social security number. That fear of online fraud is 100% valid. The internet is a wild place, and identity theft among retirees is at an all-time high. So you look for a solution like PaysafeCard, which lets you pay on the internet just like cash. But here is the big question you need to ask yourself before you even look at a casino: is trying to gamble online right now, during the most critical financial transition of your life, a safe bet for your retirement security? Let me first answer your exact question directly, because I will never beat around the bush with you. Yes, there are major, fully legal, and heavily regulated online casinos that accept PaysafeCard deposits. If you live in a state or region where online gaming is legalized and regulated, major platforms like BetMGM, Caesars Palace, Bet365, DraftKings, and BetRivers absolutely accept PaysafeCard. If you look at social or sweepstakes casinos, platforms like Chumba Casino and Stake also allow you to use it. They accept it because it is an incredibly secure way for you to put money into their system. But I want you to pause and look at the absolute reality of how this works, because what you don't see can completely ruin you. When you use a PaysafeCard, you take $20, $50, or $100 of your cash, you buy that voucher, and you enter that PIN into a site like BetMGM. The money transfers instantly. It is safe, it is anonymous, and it keeps your bank card out of the system. Sounds perfect, right? Wrong. Here is the massive roadblock that nobody tells you about until it is too late. PaysafeCard is almost universally a deposit-only method. What does that mean for you? It means that if you hit a jackpot, if you win $500, $1,000, or $10,000, you cannot put that money back onto a PaysafeCard. The casino cannot send your winnings back to an anonymous prepaid voucher. So what happens when you go to cash out your winnings? The casino says, "Great job on the win, now please give us your checking account number, your routing number, or your PayPal login so we can wire you the money." Do you see the trap? The very thing you were trying to protect, your private financial information, has to be handed over anyway the second you want to enjoy your winnings. The illusion of complete anonymity completely vanishes at the exact moment you try to withdraw your money. If you refuse to give them a bank account, your winnings sit in that casino account, dangling in front of your face, tempting you to play again until every single cent of your winnings is gone. That is a lose-lose scenario for your pocketbook. And we need to talk about the deeper danger here, because your retirement fund is not a toy. When you are working, if you lose $100 on a weekend, you can make it up on your next paycheck. When you are retired, you are living on a fixed income. Every single dollar you own has a job to do. It has to pay for your health care, your groceries, your property taxes, and your peace of mind. Online gambling is designed with algorithms meant to keep you clicking, keep you wagering, and keep you losing. When it is as easy as buying a prepaid card at the corner store, it can quickly become an out-of-sight, out-of-mind expense that drains your disposable cash before you even realize what happened. So what is your actionable takeaway today? If you still choose to use an online casino that accepts PaysafeCard, you must do it with absolute boundaries. First, you only use legal, state-regulated casinos like BetMGM or Caesars. Never, ever use an unregulated, offshore casino website, because if they refuse to pay you out, you have zero legal protection. Second, before you deposit a single dollar using that 16-digit PIN, you must look at the casino's withdrawal policy. Recognize that you will need a secure, alternative way to get your money out, such as a dedicated PayPal account or a secondary bank account that is completely separate from your main retirement savings account. Never link your primary checking account where your Social Security or pension is deposited. But my ultimate advice to you? Protect your nest egg at all costs. If you want entertainment, find things that do not have a negative expected return on your financial future. You have worked too hard to let a 16-digit voucher slice away at your financial freedom. Be safe, be smart, and protect your money, because nobody is going to care about your financial security more than you do.